Subscribe to our channel, World of Miscellaneous, to watch more inspiring videos. A global leader, visionary and a philanthropist, Sri Subhash Chandra is an epitome of a self-made man. He has consistently demonstrated the ability to nurture the nation and elevate it globally through his business ideas and lead them on the path of success. Mr. Subhash Chandra Goenka is an Indian billionaire media baron and founder of SL Group with net worth of $2.5 billion as on 2019 by Forbes. Mr. Subhash Chandra was born on the 30th of November 1950 in Adhampur village of Hisar district, Haryana. His father Nandkishore Goenka was a commission agent and flour mill owner. He studied till 10th from his village school. Then, he joined Sirsa Polytechnic College for electrical engineering, but dropped out after few months. Then, he started Subhash Chandra Lakshmi Narayan firm which procured grains like rice, and supplied through Food Corporation of India. In 1984, he started manufacturing laminated plastic tubes, mainly for grain packaging under the name SL Prapak. Later, these tubes were also used for toothpaste and for other purposes. It was just the beginning of the journey to success. In 1989, Mr. Subhash Chandra built SL World Amusement and Recreation Center, which spreads over 764 acres of land near North Mumbai, based on Disneyland. Though SL World did not give the expected success, but it paved the way for the creation of Zee TV, which came to challenge the domination by Doordarshan, the government-owned TV channel. On the 1st of October 1992, with his pioneering vision and entrepreneurial mindset to achieve growth, he revolutionized the television industry by launching the country's first satellite television channel, Zee TV, in association with Star TV of Hong Kong. And later the first private news channel, Zee News. Mr. Subhash Chandra married to Sushila Devi in 1973. They have two children, Puneet and Amit. Puneet Goenka is the eldest son, who is the managing director and chief executive officer of Zee Entertainment Enterprises. Amit Goenka is the chief executive of the international broadcast business of Zee Entertainment Enterprises, and head of ZEE5 Global. Today, Zee as a brand, has achieved a global recognition, consisting up to 90 channels in more than 19 languages, and reaching over 1.3 billion viewers in 174 countries, offering a rich bouquet of channels in India, and internationally in general entertainment, lifestyle, movies, English and regional genres and alternative lifestyles. Simultaneously, he had set up laminated tubes manufacturing plants in various countries like Egypt 1993, China 1997, without any local partnership, Germany 1999, Nepal 2000. Now, SL Prapak is doing business in more than 13 countries with 17 plants around the world. SL Prapak is the Asia's largest, and world's second largest multilayered laminated plastic tubes manufacturer. Today, SL Prapak manufactures more than 35 crore tubes per year. In November 2001, Mr. Subhash Chandra launched Playwin. Playwin is the first to introduce the world's most popular gaming format Lotto to India. On the 2nd of October 2003, Mr. Subhash Chandra launched Dish TV, the first direct-to-home satellite television provider service in India. In 2005, in collaboration with Dainik Bhaskar Group, Mr. Subhash Chandra launched an English-language daily newspaper, DNA, in Mumbai, to challenge the well-settled The Times of India. Sustaining earlier losses, the newspaper eventually turned around. He also started the Indian Cricket League, ICL, a private and domestic 2020 cricket league that operated between 2007 and 2009 in India. In 2019, Mr. Subhash Chandra has also entered the cruise business under the brand Jalesh, which means God of the Water. The multi-destination cruise line will offer entertainment shows, adventure activities, and exotic authentic cuisines packed with international hospitality on the high sea. He was elected to the upper house of the Indian Parliament for the Haryana state in the 2016 Rajya Sabha election, as a Bharatiya Janata Party candidate.